For centuries, we have been told that our world has been fully mapped, every corner explored, every mystery solved. But what if the map we've been given is incomplete? What if the vast, frozen expanse of Antarctica isn't the end of the world, but the beginning of another? Ancient maps, long dismissed as fantasies, depict lands beyond the southern ice. Sailors from centuries past whispered tales of strange lights and unexplainable phenomena at the edge of the known world. Even today, modern satellite imagery reveals anomalies over Antarctica that defy conventional explanation. Gigantic, perfectly geometric shapes hidden beneath the ice. Strange energy signatures picked up by sensitive equipment. These aren't just cracks in the ice. They are whispers of a truth we are not meant to know. The official narrative tells us Antarctica is a desolate wasteland, protected by international treaty for scientific research. But why are vast swaths of this continent designated as no-fly zones? Why are private expeditions heavily restricted? And why do military patrols guard its shores? What are they protecting? Or perhaps the more accurate question is, who are they keeping out? Forget everything you think you know about human history. We are taught that civilization began in Mesopotamia, spreading across the globe. But this is only part of the story. The accepted timeline of our past is riddled with gaps, with sudden leaps in technology and knowledge that archaeologists struggle to explain. What if the answer lies not in our past, but in a present that runs parallel to our own, hidden just beyond the wall of ice? Let's explore a radical new idea. Imagine a cataclysmic event in our deep prehistory. An event that split humanity in two. While our ancestors rebuilt from the ashes, another group, a breakaway society, journeyed south beyond the known world. They didn't just survive the icy wilderness, they conquered it. They pushed past the great ice barrier that we now call Antarctica and discovered a new world, a new frontier, untouched and teeming with possibilities. This wasn't a primitive migration. These were our equals, perhaps even our superiors in certain fields of knowledge. They understood the earth in ways we have long forgotten. They found a new source of power hidden within the ice itself, crystalline structures that hum with a clean, limitless energy. A power source that allowed them to leapfrog thousands of years of technological development. While our world became choked by industry and conflict, they built a civilization in harmony with their environment. Picture floating cities, hovering silently over frozen landscapes, their structures glowing with a soft, internal light, buildings carved from the ice itself, reinforced by advanced materials designed to channel the planet's natural energy. They would not have our limitations. Their transportation would be silent and instantaneous. Their society, free from the scarcity and competition that has defined our own history, could have evolved toward cooperation and enlightenment. Their biology, too, would have adapted over millennia in a world of extreme cold and different atmospheric pressures. Their bodies may have changed. Perhaps they developed a greater resilience to the elements, a different way of processing oxygen, or even enhanced sensory abilities to navigate their unique world. They would be human, yet different. A mirror image of us, evolved under a different sky. This may sound like science fiction, but the clues are woven into the fabric of our own history. The ancient Sumerians wrote of a realm of cosmic waters located at the ends of the earth. Greek myth spoke of Hyperborea, a perfect land of eternal spring located far to the north, beyond the grasp of the winter winds. Could these myths be distorted memories, echoes of a real place, a civilization on the other side of the world? Perhaps the Greeks simply got the direction wrong. Modern technology provides even more tantalizing evidence. In recent years, Declassified reports have spoken of unexplained radar signals originating from the heart of Antarctica. Objects moving at impossible speeds, disappearing from screens as quickly as they appear. Officially, these are dismissed as atmospheric interference or equipment malfunctions. But some military and scientific insiders whisper a different story. They talk of a shadow presence, of technology that far surpasses our own, operating with impunity in the most remote place on Earth. Why is this information so tightly controlled? The Antarctic Treaty, signed by the world's most powerful nations, established the continent as a scientific preserve, but it also established a rigid system of control. Any discovery of significance is filtered through a chain of command, with information classified and buried. The official reason is to preserve the pristine environment. But could the real reason be to preserve our fragile reality, to prevent a global panic that would ensue if humanity discovered we are not alone on this planet? The implications are staggering. It would mean our history, our religion, our very understanding of ourselves is built on an incomplete foundation. If a highly advanced human civilization exists just beyond our reach, it changes everything. It forces us to ask terrifying questions. Are they aware of us? Do they watch us? And if so, why have they remained hidden for so long? Perhaps they see our worlds ravaged by war, pollution, and division, and have chosen to remain separate. Perhaps the ice wall isn't just a physical barrier. It's a quarantine, designed to keep their world pure and our world contained. Or maybe, just maybe, the barrier is starting to fail. The strange weather patterns, the increased seismic activity around the globe, the unexplainable sounds heard from the depths of the ocean. Could these be signs that the two worlds are beginning to interact in ways we cannot control? We stand at a precipice of understanding. The clues are all around us, hidden in plain sight, waiting for those with open eyes to see them. The ancient maps, the modern anomalies, the myths that refuse to die, they all point to the same unsettling conclusion. The great Antarctic ice wall may not be the edge of the world. It may be a doorway, a line drawn in the snow, separating our civilization from another. And as the ice melts, we may soon find out what lies on the other side. It's time to question the official story. It's time to look at the map and wonder what lies in the blank spaces. The truth is out there, colder and more magnificent than we could ever imagine. The greatest discovery in human history may be waiting for us, buried beneath the ice at the bottom of the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. If you found this exploration thought-provoking, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's greatest mysteries. What do you think lies beyond the ice? Let us know in the comments below.